Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 14th, and we have our statice seedlings here. And I just wanted to give you an update video on them. I want to show you how they're growing. These are actually the ones here that we transplanted. We pricked them out because we planted extra seeds and transplanted them. Now, some of these are younger plants than the other ones because they came up at different rates. So I just wanted to give you an update video on them. And I am still feeding them once a week. And let me see here. Okay, you can see the roots coming out the bottom of them, of the little 6 cells. That's good because we're establishing a good root system, which is what we want to do. And that's why we feed them. So I just wanted to give you an updated video on these. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.